Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I should have somebody sing that for me and then use it as an introduction to all my videos. It won't be my voice because I can't sing. So I'm here to share my February 21st to 2021 to July 2021. And I started this back, my first one, I started way back in April 2020 all the way to May 2020, and then picked it up December 2020 to February 2021, March 2020 to 2021. I didn't put the month. I don't know. I'll have to go through and see what was the last month I did in this one. This one I had a little bit of here and a little bit of there, but alright. So first it started out back at the beginning, doing it every day, something every day. Okay? You can see there's just little picture layouts, you know, the kids, the grandkids during the pandemic, you know, stay at home kind of thing. And I was following Diane from Delusions, Diane Radley, in May and June, or April and May, kind of followed along every day what she did and stuff. Then, I'm a housewife. I don't do too much outside my house. So, and I don't have the grandkids like I used to. So, it started being just more of an event or something took place. And I started doing that. Or I just started doing some art journaling pages in it. But then I got more into journaling a little bit. Like this is December. I did all the whole month of December in here. This is all pretty much the whole month of December. I went and did this one. And then when December was older, I just kind of did some art journaling. Some journaling you can't read. Inauguration day, I kind of wrote about it. You know, more things. Just different things. The grands weekend, I wrote about the grands being here. When I say the grands, talking to grandchildren. Kind of played the unsolved mystery game, kind of journal about that. Put some goals for myself. Did some art journaling. And that went up to February. And then I went into March 2020 into 21, because this one I still had pages left, so I just finished it up. There's more art journaling in this than anything. But this one, I kind of went in a whole different kind of direction. This one is more or less, did some started with the art journaling a little bit, and then more into journaling with pictures. I told my daughter that make sure you look through these. Of all these journals right here, I showed her. I said, this is what I want you to keep throughout in my craft room. The rest is up to you. It's my art journaling, no matter if it's this size or big ones. I said, because there's a lot of my art in there I'd like my grandkids to have, even some of maybe my great-grandkids. But I said, these are special yet. And I told her, you better look inside these, because you never know, I might stick money in there. But you can see where I did a couple little art journal pages in February. You know, I kind of did a journal page because I helped BMO with a sale. Then I did a balloon, and then went into the 7th of March, my birthday, and then kids singing to me through Messenger. Kind of wrote about that. Just did a little scenery and wrote about the weather. Did this, which says home is the nicest word there is, you know. And did some, you know, never forget who your sparkle, and then I wrote a little bit. Then we took Allie out to breakfast and wrote about that, and that was in what month? Oh, where's the date? Oh, I have to redo the date here because I can't see the date myself. Wow. I know it's here. So I think I did the date. Well, whatever. It's somewhere on here. I usually date everything. If I missed it, I missed it. Oh, March 14th. Okay. And then we had Coda Bear overnight, March 19th. Then we went out to dinner, and this is the kids waiting to get seated. And they were being funny. Then it was our family birthday dinners. It's me, Scott, Riley are all born in March. So we go to this restaurant, and it's our birthday dinners. And then we have Riley on her birthday herself, or her school birthday, the Friday before her birthday. Coda in his shirt that he saved money for. Me organizing my craft room. I kind of took some pictures and wrote about it. Riley's birthday party on her birthday. Scott's birthday. Took him out to dinner. And Hobby Lobby clearance. Scott and I got a one of our favorite restaurants is 35 minutes from here called The Machine Said. And Diamond got us a gift card and we went down for dinner. And then Easter and kids. And then we went into Nana and Papa's vacation, which is funny because they called it Nana and Papa's vacation, but it was no vacation to us because we had the kids while Diamond and Sam went to Hawaii. So I kind of did the day they left. And then I did little pictures during the week, or I just journaled during the week of what they were doing. Some more pictures. They in their home when they came home, I had them in the driveway and waiting for them to pull in. I told Diamond, call me when you're on Ashland and Lombardi. And I had these signs that says, welcome home. Don't leave us again. Nana and Papa starve us. They laughed. And then me and Scott borrowed Sam's bike and we went for a 2-hour bike ride on the 25th of April. Freezing. Just saying. And then quote on Riley's soccer, Mother's Day. This was my Mother's Day gift. Roses from Diamond. And then the day of Mother's Day, we went to Wild Sanctuary and I kind of took some pictures. This is Allie when she was little. Same weekend, Mother's Day. This is when she's 2 and 10. And I thought it was kind of cool that Diamond had the picture. And then we have soccer with the kids, Riley and Coda. They were in soccer. Then we went and saw our moms. Then I did this little painting on this side. There's my mom's headstone, Scott's mom's headstone. Kind of journaled about it, wrote about it. And then we did the Diva puppies. I got these at a garage sale, and they each made a puppy. The little head bobbled. And then Lucy got sick, and then we took Lucy to the vet, and I kind of wrote about that. And then this is another soccer night. I took a picture of each one of the kids, and Allie was always reading. Allie brings a book. Oh, I did a Hobby Lobby, and I did what I bought and how total and what I saved. What it would have cost, $271.40, but I bought it at regular price, and what I paid, $65.91. What a savings, hey? Blew out my back. Strained my back. Did that. Went and saw Diamond at work. Pool party. Soccer again. Riley's 4K graduation. Prom for Leah. Coda had his best friend over in June on his birthday. So Diamond took a picture. I kind of journaled about it. Just took some wacky pictures of the kids. Do a little layout. Father's Day and Coda's birthday. We went to the amusement park called Bay Beach in town. There's pictures of us there. And then Coda's birthday itself. And then we lost Booyah, which is the chicken that wandered in Diamond's yard back in February. Became Allie's chicken, and it got attacked by another animal and died. So I wrote about that. Of course, kids at soccer again. I have a lot of soccer in this one. Coda got on Thunder Area Soccer Kids. Oh, he actually is on a team. I mean, they play on this soccer. It's more scrimmages playing against other little kids. This is actually a team. I kind of wrote about what happened in June here. Then we went into July. I took pictures of the kids. And then my cat Lucy, she never jumps up on my table unless Scott's in this room. Once Scott enters this room, she thinks it's okay. I don't get it, so I took his picture. These are my kids. I wrote them a letter in here. I'm hoping down the road, years from now, they find it. And when I'm gone. And it's Diamond on the 26th. She came here, took a picture of her, and this is this 26th or 25th. Kids' birthday. They celebrated Allie and Coda's birthday in July. Coda's this June. Allie's is August. They had one birthday party in July. So there was no favoritism. So instead of having 2 different birthdays parties, Diamond did one, and she's like, I like this idea. I'm glad you talked me into that, Mom. So we did that. And then we had girls' night. Riley and Allie, and this is Allie drawn. She did so good. That's supposed to be me in animation. Riley working on her wind chime and playing with clothespins. She was so funny. This is Scott. He wanted one of those blankets that you put your arms through and wraps around you. And then he showed me, and I told him he looked like a monk, so I made him hold his hands in front of him. I thought it was funny. And then this is Diamond. She posted this on Facebook, and I thought what she said was good, and I wanted it in my book so that when she finds it years later, she's reminded what she wrote. This is Diamond on her birthday itself, dropping the kids off for me. She asked me to watch it for a little while. She was going out to have her birthday drink with friends at a local bar down the road from me. So I watched the kids, and I had the girls because their wind chimes were dry, and I put them together. So I took their pictures. There's Allie's, and then there's Riley's. And then I made Coda do his, and then I dried his, and then we hung it up. They're all hung up. And then this, I took pictures of them here, and I came across this saying, I thought it was so cute. It says, trying to explain how much I love my grandchildren is trying to count the stars. I cannot try, but would be impossible. I can try, but it would be impossible. Okay, I'm going to read this again, man. Trying to explain how much I love my grandchildren is like trying to count the stars. I can try, but it would be impossible. And then I wrote them all a little message. And then we went to Diamond's birthday dinner celebration at Millions Crab. God, it was so good. God, it was so good. And Kim and Ian and Chelsea and the kids, Sam and myself went. Took the picture of the Diamond's family going in. I had Diamond take a picture of me with the bib on, and then me and Coda with our bibs on. And then I had asked the waitress, and then Scott and Riley. And then I asked the waitress if she could take a picture of the whole table. And then I just wrote on the back, hope you look at this journal. You discover memories you forgot, or you laugh because you did remember and enjoy. And it's done from February 21st of 2020 to July 2021. So I started a new one. And I already did the cover, and I'm using a different book. I'm hoping it works. This is August 2021, and then on the bottom I'll write when it's done. I didn't go the date because, like I said, I don't do it every day. If something occurs, I'll journal and put it in the book. This is a different one I kind of picked up. This is a recollection one. They had them on sale at Michael's, and I picked them up a while ago, and I'm pretty sturdy. So this is for August. And I think the first thing will probably be Allie's birthday. Today, no, it won't be Allie's birthday. I'm trying to think here. I don't see anything happening this week. Oh, I know what the first thing's going to be in this. It's going to be me and Scott's anniversary on Friday. The 2nd. Yeah. 24 years with the same man. I deserve an award. I'm just kidding. Yeah, me and Scott's anniversary would probably be the first thing I will write about in here. And I think is he off? Hey, let's see. Check this out. See, let's see. So he works. Oh, my husband is off. I wonder what we're gonna do. So that is my journals for the month, or for let's see, February, March, April, May, June, July. 6 months basically. So maybe I could finish this before Christmas. A lot of pages in this one, so I'll probably go into 2022 in this one because there's a lot of pages in this. I have enjoyed doing this. I think, just like I said, little important things that stand out. I'll journal. Like I said, I don't do it daily because I don't have much to journal about daily. But, this is my legacy, as I call it. Like I told Diamond, this is my legacy right here. There's things in here I wrote for, for use or wrote or did. Like I said, this It's my legacy for you kids to look back 20 years from now. I may be alive, I may be gone. Look back myself and go, oh, I don't remember doing that, but laughing about it, you know, wearing a bib when we're out to eat, you know, who knows. But I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody, and have a good Thursday.